Okay, I want to do a little once over of my new setup in my 2002 Ford E150 cargo van. Start with the amplifiers. I got two Taramps. First is the MD8K. Second is the DS 1200x4, running my mids and highs. I've got two DS 6500s, one in the rear, one is my main. Here's the box. It is a wall. This box is designed to slide in and out so I can kind of change my setups and play with different designs. The wall is permanent, the main part is permanent, but the box can slide in and out and I can change the design from there. Mids and highs are soundqubed tweeters. I have soundqubed, you can't see them, but soundqubed 6.5 mids. Back here I have soundqubed coaxials. Here's the wall, or here's the setup. Two Resilient Sound Platinum 18s. See if I can get a better view of that. There it is. Box is 11 cube net, tuned to 31. It's covered in black suede. Everything else is covered in black carpet. Kind of hard to see. Headliner's black suede as well. Head unit is a Kenwood DDX 396. I do have a Brand X 370 amp alternator. I need to upgrade to lithium. My voltage drops pretty bad on that 8K. I'll give you a little demo here. I'll play some Tech 9 Delusional.
Yeah. Like this. I'ma drink this here. I'ma keep this grin. But if you're looking at it closely, I'm trying to contain this beast within. Please begin. Sink.
As you can see, my voltage sucks. Drops down to 11s on full tilt. It's 160 amp hours of AGM, so it's not enough. But I can kind of zoom in here on how I did the wiring. So I ran 4 gauge to 2 Steve Mead terminals. Kind of see how I did that. It's a 1 ohm final load. But yeah, still got some playing to do. They've only been installed for a day now, so they're not even close to broke in. I'm at a 152.1 at 38 hertz. Hoping to increase that a little bit as they break in. But yeah, so I'll keep you guys updated on everything and hopefully get a little louder as I go.